Hi, this is Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations with a quick little tip for your social media marketing success. Quality over quantity every single time. And it's so frustrating to me, it hurts my heart. I do keynotes, I do workshops, I do personalized training all of the time. And everybody always focuses on quantity. It's quality, 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 quality every time. Think about it. I mean, if I say, how many, do you want 10 people or 10,000 people to walk in your store? Right? Most of you are automatically going to default to 10,000. Oh, 10,000. Yeah, because it's a bigger number. Well, the answer is you want people who buy. Well, now if I say, okay, do you want 10 people who buy or 10,000 people who just walk around? No, you want the 10 people who buy. Because they're results oriented, they're higher quality for you. There's less work. The 10,000 people are gonna damage stuff, that maybe they steal stuff from the shelf, whatever, right? They're low quality for the success of your business. Same thing on social media. It's not the number, it's the quality. Don't focus on the quantity, it's the quality of those connections. You want those people to be emotionally attached to you. You want them to trust you. You want to build rapport with these people. You want engagement with these people. That creates that quality. Now, it's easy for me to say, it could be challenging to do, right? And I address this and much more in the Social Media Marketing Success Kit. You can learn more about it from the pop-up just above right there, or in the box below, in a link below this video. This is a comprehensive e-course, online e-course of 20 plus hours of best case social media marketing instruction that tells you what you need to do to be successful, to take advantage of the craziness that is social media. No more wondering what to do. I tell you what to do. Click on the link and make the investment in your social media marketing success today. This has been Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations with just a quick little tip for your social media marketing success. I thank you for listening.